In this video, I want to talk about how you can join AliExpress. Now, this is super simple, guys. All you have to do is download either the app or go to the website, come up here and click sign up. And once you've done that, you just want to fill in all your information, and then you have to verify it after. It can either be with your phone number or with your email address. Now, once you verified it, your account should now be open and ready to go. Once it's open and ready to go, you can now buy and use AliExpress as a customer. So that is basically how it works, guys. It's really simple. You can also get a referral link from your friend, and if you sign up with that one, he's gonna get some bonuses. So just keep that in mind. Also remember that when you're a new user, you're gonna get the new user welcome deal, which means you're gonna get a big coupon because you're a new customer. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.